Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be something very different on my channel. I have never in my life done a mini twist. So this is kind of like not really a tutorial. This is kind of a watch me do my hair, trial and error type video. So we're gonna see how this comes out. I already washed my hair with the Luster's pink shampoo. I told you guys in my last video that it was very clarifying and did strip my hair. So I needed my hair to be really clean since I'm doing a protective style. And then I went ahead and used the Mielle deep conditioner, protein deep conditioner, which is what I have in my hair now. So I want to show you guys what I started off with the base. I'm gonna go rinse this out and then we're gonna blow dry my hair and then start the mini twist. So if you want to see me or watch me do my hair in mini twists, please keep watching. Don't touch my hair. All right guys, so my hair is again washed, detangled. Just because I'm showing you guys what I used in my hair does not mean you have to go out and buy this stuff. This is just what I had in my stockpile and I wanted to use it. So that's just a disclaimer because I don't know how this is going to come out. So I'm just showing you guys what I used. Up to you if you want to go buy it or not. I'm not saying you need to. I did use this Miss Jessie's leave-in condition. This stuff smells so good. This is an OG staple of mine that I've used over the years. I put that in my hair. It's super duper moisturizing. It is kind of heavy if you use too much, but I kind of wanted something heavy. A little heavy on my hair, but not too heavy since I am blow drying it. I used that on my hair, and then after I put the leave-in conditioner in my hair, I went in and used this Texture ID Thermal Protecting Shine and Seal Gloss. So I put this in. This is actually a heat protectant and also it's a gloss, so it's gonna give my hair a good, a good bit of shine. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just take the blow dryer and straighten my hair. I will be trimming my ends because I need to get my ends trimmed pretty bad. I can feel them pretty, jagged at the ends, and because I'm doing mini twists, I want my twist to look nice and full and not, damaged with the limp ends and all that. So I'm gonna be using my Revlon one-step blow dryer, and I'm gonna just blow dry my hair. All right guys, so my hair is blown out, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the process of twisting. I'm not very enthusiastic about this because I know it's gonna take me a little while to do the twist. So I'm probably gonna do the itty bitty mini twist. I may do like mini in between medium, small, mini in between small twist, because my patience, the way it's set up, I can't be here for 4 hours doing my hair. I just can't. So I went ahead and did a little trim on my hair. I trimmed my ends just a little bit. Oh, they still look horrible. Wow. Well, they look a little better than what they looked earlier. But I usually wait till I go get my hair professionally trimmed. But I did go ahead and trim my back as well. So I just did a little trim. I literally took about maybe that much of hair off. So I'm going to go ahead and part my hair up and begin twisting.
Hey, Mommy.
Hi. All right, so I have like several different styles in front of me that I don't know what to use. Because I blow dry my hair, I want my hair to retain the length. I didn't want my twist to be kind of dried up, or not shriveled up, shrinkage. I didn't want shrinkage, so that's why I blow dry my hair. So I have some different options here, and I may just be using like a concoction of different things, but I didn't want anything that was water-based because of course water draws your hair back up. So in front of me I have the Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream, and I don't have a lot of this left because my son seems to like using my stuff. So I don't have as much as I want to on this. This is a cream, and it's not as heavy as I would like it to be, so I may use a little bit of this. I pulled out the Main Choice Don't Get Much Butter Than This hairdresser. This is a twisting type cream. It's not even a cream. This is a very super thick product. It's like a butter. And I think this will do really good to keep my hair moisturized, throughout this whole week or the next 2 weeks, how long I keep it in my hair. I also have I know, some Blue Magic Indian hemp grease. So I may put a little bit of grease on my hair too as well, just to see, because I want my hair to be shiny. I don't want it to be dry twist. So I'm gonna stop rambling. We're gonna go ahead and start. I'm going to pick up my comb first. I'm going to go ahead and part my hair to the back. see if you guys can see that. I just did a simple part all the way across, and I'm gonna twist my hair up. So this is my first section of what I'm gonna start with in my twist, and I'll probably get about 3 or 4 twists out of this little section. So it's pretty simple. It's a 2-strand twist. You know, nothing major. I'm gonna just go ahead and part my hair here. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Blueberry Bliss, very small, very small bit, and apply this to this section. And just begin twisting. And then midway, I'm gonna take some of this, get it open, the butter, and apply just a little bit of this as well. Little bit of this towards the bottom part of it. Because of course, you know, the end of your hair is the oldest part, and I want that part to be super moisturized. So I'm going to just twist this on down. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm doing this to my hair. I always see these hairstyles on YouTube and Instagram, and I'm like, oh, it looks so cute, but I never thought it was work appropriate. But with this quarantine that we're in, I said this is the perfect time to do it because our lobby is closed. I still have to work. I'm in the banking industry, if you guys didn't know. So that's what I do for a living, and our lobby is closed. So, you know, I don't have any customers coming in right now. This is how it's looking. My ends are not looking that great. So I may go back later on after I finish doing this. I saw somebody else do this. Is it Natural Rain? Yeah, she has red hair too. I watch her. What she did is she twisted her whole head and then went back in and sprayed water on her ends and put some gel in it just so it can curl up. But that is what the twist is looking like. So let's continue twisting. All right, I got 2 twists done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair. You guys don't want to sit here and watch me twist my whole head, so I'm gonna get as much done as I can while I'm watching some YouTube videos and just sitting here, and then I'll be back once I got the front part of my hair so you can see that. So it is currently, let's see, 11:45 a.m. So we'll see how long it takes me to do my whole head. So I'll be back. All right, guys, I am finally done with my hair. It is 1:05 p.m. So at 11:45, so that's how long it took me to do my hair. It looks really good. This is very different for me, honestly, to be working my hair like this. My hair doesn't look as full as I would like it, but I'm thinking that as the days go on, it'll get bigger, just like my normal, you know, weekly routine. My hair starts off and I like it the first day, and then it's like, I love my hair. So we'll see. I'm gonna rock these for the whole week. This is what my hair looks like in the back and the sides here. So I'm going to rock my hair like this for, like I said, a whole week, and we'll go from there. I'll show you guys what my hair looks like tomorrow. I went ahead and did my ends, you know, put the Mish leave-in conditioner on my ends to moisturize them, and throughout the week I'll do that too, just to keep my hair moisturized. This is a protective style, so it's a low manipulation protective style that I'm going to do this week. So I am excited about this, and I will see you guys tomorrow once my face is done looking better than what it looks like. And I'll show you guys what my hair looks like, you know, after it's all done. Alright guys, so today is day 1. All I did was to put my hair in a high puff ponytail. That's how I slept last night, and I took it down just now, and this is how my twists are looking. I did, however, clip my ends last night. Every twist that I had, I clipped oh, I forgot this one. All the ones that looked kind of straggly, I just went through it, and let me see if you guys can see. I just went through and just literally clipped it. I haven't got a trim in like 8 or 9 months, since like maybe last year sometime. So it's time for a trim. So I guess to style my hair today, I don't know, my twist looks kind of thin, that I guess, you know, once it gets older it'll look better, but I'm not really impressed on how it looks today, so I'll just probably wear my hair kind of pulled back today. And this is how I wear my hair today to work, so I don't know how to feel about it. I think I'm gonna like it. I hope I like it, you know, as the days go by, but day one is just kind of like whatever. My hair feels very, very heavy. I think that's because of this Main Choice heavy cream. Heavy, it's a butter that I put on my hair. So I'm confident it'll stay moisturized throughout this, you know, week of me wearing my hair like this, but yeah, this is how I wear my hair. I would like to I think I'll tie my edges down because they're a little frizzy, but this is day one. I may come back and just show you guys day 3 or day 5 throughout the week as my hair gets older and how I, you know, style it. I'll come back and show you guys that. But yeah, so if this will be my last time talking on this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Stay tuned for day 4 and 5. Bye.